Hey, everybody, good afternoon. This is Jeffrey Jansen. Hope you're all having a great day today. It is a little wet outside, as you could probably see, but it is afternoon, so hope everybody's having a great day. Hope everything's going great with everybody. I'm going to do a couple calls today on the scam calls that we do because I got a call today and it kind of upset me a little bit because they once again, they keep telling me on these lists, and I'm not even calling them back on purpose, and they're still able to call me. And it's all these student loans. Anyway, needless to say, I've never had any student loans or anything else. The Marine Corps paid for my college. I got my MBA. They paid for everything, and whatever they didn't cover, my allowances and stuff covered. So the reason why when these student loans or the IRS or the Social Security Administration calls and everything else, it gets very upsetting. Now, yesterday, I'm going to show you the number because, by the way, I am a very big supporter of this group, and this one kind of upset me. As you can see, it says Knights of Columbus, okay? A Quincy number. And the Knights of Columbus is awesome, okay? They're really great people. I'm not trying to advertise for them. I'm just saying that my family's been part of the Knights of Columbus for many, many, many years, okay? And they usually call and check up on people. They sometimes call to make sure everybody's okay. They're calling, it's a great organization. However, they were spoofed. And so when I got that call, of course, it's a number that I would answer, my dad would answer, my aunts and uncles would answer, because it is an actual number that we know. But it wasn't. It was a scam. So it was spoofed. And a lot of people are not understanding the spoof calls, the IRS, and then Social Security is even putting stuff on TV. Now, why am I putting this warning out there to everybody? Because you have to be very careful. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do the call that called me earlier, okay? And it called me. And I could not figure out who they were. Just give me a second here. Keypad. Recent. Anyway, it says Alum Financial, okay? And we're going to call them. We're going to ask them why they're calling me. And when we do that, we're going to find out, and we're going to do a scam. Where it's a scam, and then we're going to see what's going on with it. So, I'm calling it out. Whoops. Sorry, wrong person. There we go. Sorry. That's the one. Okay.
This call is being recorded. If you do not wish to be recorded, please disconnect at this time. Please hold while I try to connect you.
It's fun that they tell us they're being recorded, but... Okay. So this is, like I said, I need them to put me on a do not call list or something, but they don't listen to these do not call lists. Problem is I go after these people unlike everybody else.
Your call has been forwarded to the voicemail for Kelly Bradley. No one is available to take your call. At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Yes, this whatever said Kelly Bradley, and I'm sure you're a nice person. I'm sure you're a great person. But however, a long time ago, I was put on a do not call list, and I've been getting calls every day from everywhere from Nevada to you name it, trying to answer for student aid or financial aid and stuff like that. And I have been put on do not call lists over and over, and I don't call the numbers. I'm calling back now to be asked to be put on a do not call list. Now, I'm recording this also as of right now. Anyway, thank you very much. Oops. Hello?
Hey, Jeff, this is Kendall.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?